I'm making few video lectures on some specific topics that are frequently asked in GATE examination in mathematics, and this is my first video lecture and this is on gamma function. I hope you would like it. So let's get started. So gamma function. Now first of all, let's understand what is the definition of gamma function, what it actually means. So gamma n is limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx, and n should be greater than 0. This is the definition of gamma function. Okay. Now let's put the value of n equal to 1. Okay. And we will get gamma 1 is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x. We just have to put the value of n as 1. So x to the power 0 dx, right? So we will get 0 to infinity e to the power minus x dx. When we will solve it, we will get the value as 1. So we have got the value of gamma 1 is equal to 1, right? Now, there is one important formula that you should know very well, that is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. We can easily prove this as well. Since we know already the definition of gamma n, in similar fashion, we can write it for gamma n plus 1. The only thing you need to remember is instead of n, you have to substitute n plus 1. Okay. So we can see this gets cancelled and we are left with 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n dx. Okay. Now, how to solve this? We can easily solve this by use of integral by parts. This is my first function. This is my second function, right? So, by which rule? Eilate. Okay. So, we will solve this. On the right hand side, we have gamma n plus 1. Here, I have e to the power minus x dx, 0 to infinity, nx of n outside, minus, I will differentiate this thing. It will become nx n minus 1. And the integral of this, which is minus e to the power minus x dx, 0 to infinity. Okay. Now x to the power n is outside, e to the power minus x with minus sign, and we'll put the limits. N can be taken outside since it is constant, 0 to infinity x n minus 1, and this minus becomes plus e to the power minus x. Yes. Okay friends, so now when we put the limits, this term disappears, only term left is n, and if you see this clearly, it is nothing but the definition of gamma function itself. So we are left with n gamma n. Hence we have proved gamma n plus 1 is n gamma n. Okay, this is proof. This is very important identity that you should remember. There's one more identity that you should remember, that is gamma half is equal to root pi. This I will derive in the coming lectures because this will need the knowledge of Gaussian function as well, right? Now let's try to solve a very simple question that was asked in GATE in previous year, and the question is as follows: 0 to infinity root x e to the power minus 3 root x dx. So from the question itself, you can easily get to know that this is something related to gamma because it is of this form, this definition form. E to the power something, x to the power something, right? Here it is e to the power something and this. Now let's take this to be y. So 3 root x is y. So 3, 1 by root x dx is equal to dy, right? Because when we differentiate it, we know the differentiation of x to the power half would be, when we differentiate it, it becomes half n x n minus 1. So it is minus half. This is half root x. That's why. So here I am left with 0 to infinity. Now root x is y by 3. So this is my y by 3 e to the power minus y. Now what is dx? Dx is dy 2 root x by 3. Now root x is what? Y by 3. So I have 5 by 3 e to the power minus y, dy 2 by 3, and here I have root x is y by 3. 0 to infinity. Now this entire integral is in terms of dy. We can easily solve it. First of all, take the constants outside. So it is 2 by 27, 0 to infinity, y square e to the power minus y dy. Now, can you see? This is nothing but again a gamma function. And when we compare it with the definition, we get this is nothing but 2 is nothing but n minus 1 here. When we compare this with the gamma function definition, we can get the value of n is 3. That means this term is nothing but gamma 3. So it is 2 by 27 into gamma 3, right? Now, what is gamma 3? So, gamma 3 is nothing but 2 factorial, and that is 2. Now, you must be thinking, how come gamma function is related to the factorial? So, this is the trick. Gamma n is n minus 1 factorial. This is a very important relationship between gamma function and a factorial function. Okay, so gamma 1 would be 0 factorial, that is 1. Gamma 2 will be 1 factorial, that is 1. Gamma 3 would be 2 factorial, that is 2. Gamma 4 would be 3 factorial, that is 6. So you know gamma n plus 1 is nothing but n factorial. So you need to remember this, and you can solve all the questions related to gamma function. And if you have any queries, any doubt related to gamma function, you just please let me know, and I would be ready to help you. Thank you so much, and I hope you understood gamma function very well. Thank you.